Test natin tong in-upgrade namin na ENC 118-1. Ayan, so kung mapapansin nyo yung colorway nya, napakaganda, berdeng berde. Ayan, so full metal unit to, in-upgrade ng 600 fps. So ang ginamit nating parts, pa-line up na yung parts para ma-share natin. So nagpalit tayo ng inner barrel. Ayan, inner barrel. Ito shims to, lagyan na ng shims, cover, gears, spring syempre, throwing chamber, tapos motor, and then cylinder body, at saka nag-grease tayo. So extra nozzle. Nagano rin tayo ng delayer, sorry. Okay, so the rest is stock parts. Sige, test natin to para makita nila kung ilang FPS yung pinapalo nito ngayon. 623, 617 auto. Yun, masakit-sakit. So guys, for details, PM kayo sa page namin kung gusto niyo magpa-upgrade. Lahat naman ng unit pwede natin i-upgrade basta may parts. Okay, so shoutout kay Bossing. Thank you.